So students, today we look at estimating product and coefficient of numbers. So students, when we estimate the product or coefficient of numbers, we round off each number to its highest place value and then find the product or quotient of the rounded off numbers. In fact, we can round off the number to either nearest thousand, 10,000, tens place, but we have to look for the number that is close to the exact value, right? And for that purpose, we have to round off each number to its highest place value. So let's estimate using general rule and find the product of this number 1291 multiplied by 592. By applying the general rule, we'll get 7,64,272. So this is the exact product of these two numbers. But if we look at the estimated product, for that purpose, we need to round off both the numbers. And for that, we'll round off both the numbers to their highest place values. So if you look at this number 1291, the highest place value is 1000. So round off to nearest 1000. For that, we'll observe hundreds digit 2, that is less than 5. So 2, 9 and 1 will be replaced by 0 and 1 will remain as it is because 2, that is hundreds digit, is less than 5. So our round of number is 1000. For 592, the highest place value is 100. So we have to observe tens digit, that is 9, and it is greater than 5, right? So for when we are having greater than 5, so replace both 9 and 2 by 0 and increase 5 by 1. That means 600. So these are the rounded numbers. Now we need to find the product. So 1000 multiplied by 600 will get 6 lakh. So students, this 7,64,272, this is close to this number 6 lakh. So this is how you can find the estimated product of the numbers. Now let's estimate another two numbers, but this time we'll estimate the quotient of the two numbers. Okay, so again, for that purpose, we have to round off each number, both dividend as well as divisor, to their highest place values. So here dividend is 4968 and divisor is 216. If we divide if we divide in our general rule, then while dividing 4968 by 216, we'll get 23. Hope you must know how can we divide two numbers, right? Now, if we round off both the numbers, we need to round off them to their highest place value. Okay. So 4968, the dividend, when it will be rounded off, it will be rounded off to the thousands place because it is the highest place, right? For that, we will observe hundreds digit. It's 9 greater than 5. So replace 968 by 0 and 4 will be increased by 1. You will get 5000, right? For 216, the highest place value is 100, right? So round off to nearest 100. But for that, we need to observe tens digit. So it's 1, that is less than 5. So 1 and 6 will be replaced by 0 and 2 will remain as it is. So it's 200. These are the rounded numbers, 5000 and 200. Now we will divide both these numbers. When 5000 will be divided by 200, we'll get 25. So this is our estimated quotient. And this is how we can estimate either the sum of numbers, either the difference, product, or coefficient of the numbers. So just remember the basic things which we discussed in today's lecture and in previous lecture.